Hi, it's Mike at Phase 1 and today I've got a product to show you from Gravity. This is the cart M01B. I don't know what that means, but like a lot of the Gravity stuff is fantastic, by the way. They make some fantastic music stands, microphone stands, speaker stands. Their parts department is fantastic. The accessories for the stands, the bags and everything are superb. But I don't understand your product codes. Right, and of course this is a cart M01B. What's that mean? Drives me insane. But let me tell you, your products I really like. It's a cart. Now we've seen these type of things before. It's a four-wheeled cart, and it says it's 8-in-1. 8-in-1 is what we're going to find out in this video. How many different configurations can we use? I believe that there's 3 models in the range. We've gone with the medium one. Maybe that's what the M stands for. Maybe. So this is the medium sized one. I believe there's a bigger one and there'll be a smaller one as well. Let's dive in and have a look, and let's check out the positions that we can get in this into, and we'll do some measuring and all the rest of it. Right, this will be its smallest configuration. Right, so this is its most compact. Probably how you would use it to store it in your vehicle or in your van or whatever. And I can tell you the measurement lengthwise is approximately 72 centimetres, and we've got width, and I'm going to include the chunky wheels that we've got on here. We're going to say that's around about 42. These are approximate measurements. The wheels, this is like a hard rubber wheel on the back, and on the front we've got like a caster, like a rubberized caster on there. Really good quality. This swivels really well, the bearings are really good, and they've got a little brake on them. One thing I will say about a lot of the Gravity stuff, that it is very well made. And also another thing that I really like is that when you go onto the Gravity website, which I'll show you later in this video, you can get every single part for a stand. So for instance, this microphone stand here from Gravity, we can get every little bit. So if we just need one of them off the top, we can get it. We can get the legs, we can get the little screwy knobs on the bottom. I'll show you how you can find the part numbers. We don't keep all the parts because there's hundreds of them. But if you've got a Gravity stand that's got something missing, I'll show you where you can get the information to get all the parts for your Gravity stand. That's another reason I really like Gravity, is the parts and the spare parts you can get for these stands. So let's have a look at what we've got here. So in this current configuration, yeah, you could put that in your van. That's its smallest configuration. Here we go. Shall we go for position number 2? So we've got it as a little push along trolley, like so, with a handle. I'm going to do a close-up on this because I really like how this mechanism works, how it opens and closes. So we'll do that in the video in a second. Position number 3, I believe. So now we've got a cart with 2 end legs, right? Now let's have a look. We go this way and we go to the underneath, and you'll see there's 2 little twiddly knobs there. If you undo those and undo this one as well, it pulls out to get longer and it clicks into position. There's a little pushy button here. I would again then tighten them back up. Just needs to be finger tight. I believe we're up to position number 4. Position number 4. Obviously now we've got position number 5. We've now got position number 6. Position number 7. And then what we've also got here is, if we go like that and like that, we've got position number 8, and it becomes a sack barrow style cart. So there you go. The way that configures is absolutely fantastic. Let's do a measurement. Where did I put my tape measure? Here we go. The measurement, the longest measurement when it's in its longest position, I've got that down at about 110 centimetres. Just check the specs here. the actual weight of the item. Now this is all made of metal. They are rubberized wheels, and the weight is 11 kilos. Right then, and it says that the max load that you can put on this is 150 kilos. Now I imagine that will be evenly spread. So I'm 80 kilos. Dare I? Let's see if I can get on it. This is waiting to be a mic disaster, isn't it? Yeah? This will be on you being framed any moment. Right, I'm stood right in the middle, so I've put 80 kilos right in the middle, and that doesn't feel like it's flexing at all. So it's certainly going to hold what it's spec to do when it's evenly spread. Fantastic. So I just wanted to show you the close-up of how that mechanism works. So it's like this is on a spring, and then that drops down, and then it's engineered in such a way that when you go like that, it just locks into position. I think that's really, really neat. So when this is on the floor, what you'll do is you'll just stand on that with your foot. Perfect. We'll take some close-up shots. Okay, just want to show you where you can go and get the parts and get the part numbers. You can come to us with the part number and you can order the parts from us, but we won't have every single part in stock. But what we do really like about Gravity is on their website, on all of their products. Now on this cart, it was that new, they haven't put the product sheet up yet, so it's not, we're going to show you via another product. You just go to the Gravity website. This is, we're looking is one of their lighting stands, and you go to the downloads and links, click that button there, and then you can see there's all these little downloads, and we've got there replacement parts list. Click on that, allow it to download, and now in a PDF you can see every single part for that stand, including its part order code. So you get its part order code and you'll be able to go, come and see us, come speak to us, and we'll be getting the parts. And it's like that for all the Gravity stuff. Fantastic. So there you go, that's the medium-sized cart from Gravity. We're selling these in the shop. For pricing and more information, click the link in the description to this video, and it'll take you through to our website where we'll have this available for sale. I think that's a really nicely made item. This is the medium-sized one. I think it's big enough for what I need anyway. If you want some more information on the other ones, we will be listing them on the website. But that is the medium one, and it goes by the name of the cart M01B. It's Micah Phase 1.